This has gone completely and horribly wrong already. I'm gonna start off with the tip, because I think it's a good one. Hey, you should really do this. Hashtags. I know you've been noticing hashtags on YouTube. I want to show you how to use hashtags as a small YouTuber, okay? Now you'll notice that maybe there's a hashtag here. And at the moment there's only one. It says Maker Maddox, okay? These hashtags are clickable, right? So most people have been hashtagging their video with something that has to do with the content of their video. I think this might be a mistake. YouTube has enough sort of data points to pull and rank your video. I don't believe that's what these hashtags are doing. I think they might be doing something else. And at least for a small channel at the moment, I think the best thing to do is just hashtag your channel name. And here's why. When you click on it, say you're doing a video like I do. Say I've got a video coming up about a Nerf Blaster repaint. That'll be later in the week. I'm not gonna hashtag it Nerf Blaster repaint because the minute someone gets curious and clicks on it, YouTube is gonna feed them a list of other Nerf repaints. So it's gonna send them away from my video. And at the moment, we can't afford that, can we? We can't. So this is what I'm telling you to do. A little hack that I'm using it this way. So I'm just hashtagging my channel name because if someone gets curious and they click on that, all they do is get a list of my other videos. I think that is the way to do it. One exception, which I'm still kind of testing out to see if it works, one exception is that if you have a very clear title of a series. For instance, my bookbinding basics series, I think I might hashtag bookbinding basics to see if they click on that, all of the bookbinding basics videos come up. So that's it. That's my tip. What else do you want from me? What you say to me, bruh? The next thing I wanted to address, this is very serious. Something serious that has happened on my channel. My last YouTube tip was about leaving comments that are a bit more involved, sometimes a bit weird, and maybe even downright offensive. And you took that as a challenge. Some of you came out of the woodwork, brand new people, and took that as a challenge to leave me some vile and offensive and funny AF comments. I'm gonna put them up on screen. I think there's 3 of them. All 3 of you get a shout out. There'll be links to their channels. I don't know if you're creators or not, but you took the time to really kind of step it up, and it was weird. But it's not a challenge, so please stop. Maybe. Anyway, on to the channel shout out of the week. What you watching, fam? This is a channel, it's called Maria Solias, and she's a painter, and it's just sort of time-lapse video of her doing her paintings. She's very talented, the paintings are great, she's a very small channel, I think under 50 subscribers, only has a few videos. These videos, I'm assuming, take a long time to create because she's doing a whole painting, so I understand that, you know, she posts few and far between, but trust me, when she does, it's always kind of a delight. The videos are very chill, they're very relaxing. Here's a little insight. Sometimes when I'm editing and stuff, I like having stuff on my TV that I don't need to really listen to. And this is perfect. This is perfect, this is inspiring, this is, you know, someone doing something great while I'm trying to do something mediocre, which is editing and stuff. So this is a good sort of leave in the background kind of channel while you're doing something else. She picks good music, the work is great, and it's just, I love seeing the process of making things, which is why I'm a maker channel. I love seeing the process of something getting made rather than just seeing the final thing, because you see the final thing and yes, wow, that's amazing. But being able to see all the sort of magic that goes into it is also great. Also, I don't know if she does this consciously, but she places the camera around her studio in such a way that it sort of feels like you're looking around things to kind of watch her work. And I know that there's a cat in the studio. I don't know if it's your cat, but I know that there is a cat in the studio, and it sort of feels like you're watching her work from the perspective of the cat, and I think that's kind of a cool little add-on. I don't know if you're doing this consciously, but you're doing it, and it's kind of cool, and I like it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, because I just got bored of making this video. Roll the thing.